This is a real party treat. But in order to make a mimosa work, at least this giant one, we need some fruits in there, okay? So we can come behind with a little orange. Okay, some strawberries. Guys, you know one day AI is gonna be doing this, right? Seriously. So now we begin with a bit of vodka. Typically, you don't see vodka mimosas, except on Tipsy Bartender, okay? Because all our mimosas are fortified. We don't go too much because it's not really about the vodka. Okay, so we come in with a little bit of orange juice. I think that's enough. Now guys, we have our fresh bottle of champagne. This is Andre, okay? You'd never believe how much this costs. This is a really expensive bottle. But I said, you know what? I wanted to use this on a special occasion when I'm with you guys. So even though this is $2,000, it doesn't matter because it's for you. Okay, that's one bottle. Woo! This is a big glass. Okay, next up. Y'all know a real cool trick? Don't do it in front of your friends though, okay? And only do it to your glass. But the oils on your skin, like when you touch this, the bubbles will go down. Okay? Could be the oils, could be the dirt, I'm not sure, okay? The science behind it. But there's something going on. Okay, so that's $4,000. That's, you know, spend another $2. Now we go for $6. Oh my God, I never want to come to his house for a drink. Hey, ain't nobody invite you over, okay? Besides, my hands are clean. I wash it before every episode. And usually after the bathroom, I remember. Okay, should I? 8,000. What you're looking at, guys, is one of the most expensive drinks ever made on this show. Just give it a little stir. Now it's sparkling, so you have to be careful because if you stir too hard, it could overflow. Okay. Oh, look at you! You're so cute! And there you have it! The giant! Okay. Gotta be buff to lift this one. Okay. Hello, lady. How are you? But how do I look? Do I look buff? Let me get the side out. And always remember, guys, drink responsibly. Never drink and drive. This is so heavy. I'm beginning to shake now. Woo! Woo! This is the buff.